Hello, Actor Playbook family. My name is Alexandra Wright. You can call me Alex, and I'll be leading a monthly class on emotional accessibility. This is really an opportunity for you to learn about all the different techniques that have existed within the acting world regarding inside out, outside in. So we'll be doing some movement techniques, some voice techniques, and it's also really a chance for you to find and figure out your own emotional blocks, because of course we know as actors, our own emotional blocks sometimes become our characters' emotional blocks, and sometimes that does not line up. If you have sides and material that you want to bring in certain weeks that are presenting emotional problems for you in terms of accessing or tapping in, I always love that too, and we can work on those as well. So some of the techniques that we'll be looking at are the Alba method, Fitzmaurice, Stanislavski, of course. We'll be doing some Strasberg, Meisner, Uta Hagen, and I'm missing one, Michael Chekhov. So yeah, hope to see you there. Thanks, y'all.